Yes!
Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles.
298, two more to 300.
St. Augustine, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from St. Augustine to Flagler Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:15
I knew Jacksonville was
p.m.
going to do that.
At 6:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong gust front was located near Crescent Beach, or 10 nautical miles southeast of St. Augustine. Southeast and 25 miles. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots, or greater than small hail. Source, radar.
Came back just in time.
Impact. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Dorothy Louise Barge, 9 Mile Reef, St. Augustine Beach, Crescent Beach, Beverly Beach, Butler Beach, Marineland, Big George's Reef, and Palm Coast. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
Here, oh God. I thought that was a tornado warning. Thank goodness I got out of bed. Oh God, tornado possible. This is for my area. 299.
At 8:38 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Paisley, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs,
I'm shaking.
and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Sanford, Canary, Orange City, and Cassia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
We might even get a flood warning at this point. Let's get out of here.
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Seminole County in east central Florida, northwestern Brevard County in east central Florida, southeastern Volusia County in east central Florida until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:43 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Osteen, or near Geneva, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Deltona, Sanford, Oak Hill, Mims, and Geneva. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning Scottsmore, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots.
Hold on.
Or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Haulover Canal, Scottsmore, Klondike Beach, Rancha, and Maytown. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.